In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy Shopify store to another account 2025. The main part of this process is copying your theme because your theme controls how your store looks and feels, including layouts, colors, and many design settings. Once you download the theme from the original store, you can upload that same theme file into another Shopify account to recreate the storefront design. First, sign in to the Shopify admin for the store you want to copy from. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. From the left side menu, go to Online Store and then select Themes. This page shows your current theme along with any other themes saved in your library. On the Themes page, find the theme you want to copy. In most cases, this will be the live theme, but you can also download a different theme from your theme library if that is the one you want to move. Next to the theme, click the three dots menu, sometimes labeled as an Actions menu. This opens a list of options you can use to manage that theme. From that menu, choose the option to download the theme file. Shopify will package the theme into a zip file. This zip is what you will upload to the new Shopify store later. After you request the download, Shopify will send the zip file to you by email. Wait for that message to arrive, then download the zip file to your computer and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. A quick tip here: do not unzip the theme file. Shopify expects the theme upload to be a single zip file, exactly as it was downloaded. Also, make sure you keep track of which version you downloaded. If you have made recent theme edits, download the most up-to-date version so your new store matches what you see now. Once you have that zip file saved, you are ready to upload it to your new Shopify account using the theme upload option in the themes area of that store. And that is all there is to it.